Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add comment on the reposted video on TikTok. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. TikTok's repost feature allows you to repost TikTok that belong to other user from your own TikTok account to share with your audience. The reposting feature allows you to curate content from others to share with your audience while still crediting the original poster. TikTok began testing the repost button in January 2022. When we repost a video on TikTok, we can't add note or comment on it on the previous update. But now you can add comment to your when you repost the video on TikTok. How to do it? So first you have to make sure that your TikTok is on the latest version. You can check on App Store or Play Store and update your TikTok app. After that, you can just choose on the TikTok video that you want to repost, like this one. I have reposted this one. And if you want to add comment or note on the reposted in here, notification in here, you can just tap on the pencil icon in here and just maybe for the example like this, I will just add comment like this, and you can just tap and add. So now when your friends see your posted video, they can see the comment, your comment in here. So simple, right? So that is how to add comment on your posted video on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.